Are you there see a star now?
Star and newspaper. When I carry news. In a CV.
What you know about that? I hear that. Keep your star to yourself. And we not carry news. Who you? Who you? We inside because we not about to do.
We know more do man. Just continue.
Yo, Marango. Rate that girl there now. She had a go-go bat. Plus her skin well clean. Clean off. I tell her say yo. She's a keeper. I tell her bad bro. Real go-getter.
Alright. Hold on. One little slur now. Keep it.
Yeah, man, keep that in between. She know the street.
Alright, see you in show there.
Yo, Marango. One person. Rate that girl there. She had a go-go bat. Her skin is just another bad babe. Clean off. I tell her say she know just another bad babe. She's a keeper. Real go-getter. She's just another bad babe. With a whole ton load of madness. Yeah, full of style and tactics. The way she sit down and wine on the goddamn. Yeah, I mean me tell her why me love she. Cause anyway she will give me that pussy. The pussy clean and the pussy never bushy. We love fuck and smoke good pussy. Oh, she full of vibes when she under liquor. See another spliff and she no see herself in no other nigga. She a keeper no gold digger. And if she drop a chain she know if you hold the pressure. Fuck time baby, can in her belly. Need you like oh Nelly, tell belly. Wine slow for me, love her energy. Fuck her all like the two of we are here. She's just another bad bitch with a whole ton load of madness. Yeah, full of style and tactics. The way she sit down now.
Mostly a day over there upon the girl pick up the side just to go and hold it. You know they have a child on the student right now. Prince Spring, ground level, you know the chefs go outside here, that's how they do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah man, what there man, that's it.
The girl just said the pink could be a sheller. Anyway you see me dog, I'm 35 gorilla. So come out of my youth, you know me brother rat trap for the rat so you can't go reach each other. Oh you want to see me feel that you prefer to your girl, hear me song and start race so you're the Jenna. Upstairs, one girl with perimeter, how we think I just want to do this thing.
Prince Spin, clean up, 1 gram.
1 gram, watching the front of me device and if you don't see a Prince Spin, you understand? Represent for Justin Blake. The body's feeded them on YouTube, you hear that?
What the fuck then did expect?
I know brother. Feel you respect me feel, don't?
That bad. Something bad.
That's why you're sweet up, you know brother. Put up all the nice vice upon you and something.
1 gram.
Hey Marango, watch ya now. People say me stuck in on my ways. Shut a bag of thing, me pretend like me hard days. Focus while the fuck of them a gears. Hey Marango, watch ya now.
Well played.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Hey, you can ask the tell a little fella. She will tell us that the pin could be a sheller. You see me dog a 35 gorilla.
Win. Hear that, you win. Well clean. Clean up. Justin Blake. Marango Strat, clean up.
Where the fuck you know this thing? Upstairs in them try a bag of thing and it not work. Bring them off, bring me thing of dirt. Anyway, me pull up them lift up off the slurp. Better know a 1 gram go on the earth, ground lad. Where the fuck you know this thing? $1 billion in the bank, you me even know the interest. And I tell you this straight. Sucker no matter me gun them enough money spray you like an insect. About me start make events left. Man firm on the ground, things set. Hey girl no stress before they get me upset. Same place you get left. Hey Marango, watch you know. Me not fi hackle up myself. Once me have life and me good in and me health. Gucci on the shirt and Louis V upon the belt.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.